welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Today we're gonna check out some of the Boohoo items that I recently ordered. They are having a sale going on right now, 60% off, so let's get into it. So we are unbagging, not unboxing, some Boohoo items. They had a 60% off sale, and I was just curious to see what they had, and I was able to find a few nice items. So let's see what we have here. I got this cute little two-piece set, very comfortable in gray. Came with gray stretch pants, and this was for $12. To be exact, I paid $12.12 for that. Good deal, isn't it? I know. I told y'all I am a bargain shopper, and right now I'm not looking for anything that's super dressy, or I just want comfortable lounging clothes. Next, I found a two-piece short set. It came together. Let me see. For $17.32. I don't think you can top that. That's a little cap sleeve crop top. And then it also came with the little biking shorts, and I can tell you right now, these are gonna be too big for me. These are too big for me, so guess who these are going to? My niece. That's if they could fit her. I bought them in a 4 because they were sold out of the 2. This top would be fine on me, but I'm not gonna fit it. I'm gonna see if she wants it. Oh, but the gray ones look a little, bit smaller than the black ones, but I could tell you right now, looking at the butt of this, I'm not gonna be able to. This is my very first time opening stuff up on camera, so I'm trying not to be annoyed at the stuff that's not gonna fit. This looks like a pretty cool size for me. I could fit this, but if she wants it, I'm not gonna just give her the shorts. I'll give her the top too. Depends on if it's not too grown looking on her. Next, see what we have here. This was another two-piece set. Little sweater, little knitted shorts with a little sort of like an oversized sweater. This is gonna be so cute on. Oh, let me tell y'all how much I paid for that. I paid $21. $21 for this. This was a little bit more, probably because it's knitted, but still a good price for a two-piece set. Then I got this cute little two-piece. Cause y'all know I love my two-pieces. Ooh, this should fit. I hope it does. Okay. So this I got in a 2. It's the little shorts with the ruffles at the bottom, with the little crop top shirt. Y'all know I love these types of shirts if you've been watching my fashion hauls. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. Let me see how much I paid. I paid $13. $13 for this, and I got it upside down. $13 for this little cute little summertime, fall time, or summertime, springtime. So up and up on that. I'm just concerned, like, can I fit this stuff? Now, I'm always thinking about work. So I got me a few professional. This is gonna have to go to my niece too, whether she likes dresses or not, because I can tell you right now, this is a little too big for me. It is a size, I believe it's a 4 in their size, because they didn't have a 2. But I didn't pay a lot for it. I believe I paid, let me see, I paid $12 for it, so it wasn't a big deal for me. $12, good deal. You can't really see, it's really cute for a professional going to work. That's why I like trying clothes on, because you get to see what it is for real. With work in mind, I also got, I know I ain't gonna be able to, well, I might be able to fit this one. This right here. It's like a professional, looks like something I should get, I would have to get taken up because it looks pretty long. But this is how the sleeves are made, and it goes down. It's kind of like a pencil dress feel. Like how a pencil skirt is made, that's how this dress is made. Very form-fitted. And that would be for work clothes. So play clothes and 2 work dresses, and possibly only one of them I'm gonna be able to fit. But either way, it was affordable. That mustard color, it's kind of like a limeish mustard, is, let me see, I paid only $17 for it, so that wasn't bad, and I could possibly fit that one. Now, I also, these are 2 purses I've been having for months in my closet. I thought this would be cute for vacation, you know, going out of town, have on your little cute outfit and have a little cute little purse. It has the gold detailing on it. I'm more of a gold person than a silver person. That's cute, ain't it? Then, and this is very different from me, because I'm more of a big purse person. I got this little purse because it just reminds me of, I don't know, maybe traveling to Cancun, Mexico, and you just got your little purse. You know, you don't ever want to be carrying around too much when you go out of town, so this gave me that feel. And these actually came from TJ Maxx, but I did not spend a lot on them. The orange one was $29, and then the other one I think was like $24. That's another thing, I can't get this open. Like, I had a hard time at the store getting it open, so I don't know why I just closed it, because I'm gonna have another. But anyway, that is all I have for you all today. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.